Why would someone hire a coach? Let me first answer by going to the world of sports. A baseball player can have up to 7 coaches. 7 coaches that help them get around the baseball diamond. A coach in your world can help accelerate your success by providing accountability and a specific action plan designed just for you. What can I do as a coach? If you look at clients, an orthopedic surgeon may not look like they have a lot in common with a 15-year-old. A doctor may not look like they have a lot in common with a CFO. What they all have in common, if your objective can fit into one of my 3 pots, identifying your value, communicating your value, protecting your value, then I can help you get to your next level of excellence.